Building a free website for your clothing brand is easier than you think. Today, I'll guide you through the process of creating a professional-looking website for your clothing brand at no cost. While creating a website typically involves expenses, you can utilize platforms like Wix to create one for free. Start by visiting the Wix website, where you'll find numerous presets and themes tailored to your store's needs. The only expense you'll encounter is purchasing a domain, as domains aren't provided for free. Once on the Wix website editor, you can effortlessly add elements such as text, images, code, and social media integrations to customize your clothing store's website. Wix even allows you to host your website for free, albeit with a domain containing wix.com. However, for a professional touch, I recommend purchasing your own domain. By following these steps, you can create a stunning website for your clothing brand without breaking the bank. I hope you find this tutorial helpful in establishing an online presence for your brand.